Welcome to today's tutorial where we will be discussing how to send an email campaign utilising MailChimp and Aspire. The first step is to navigate to your browser. In this instance we'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use Firefox, Internet Explorer or Safari. In the address bar, all we need to do is just type in the name of the website that we need to export the HTML file from. In this case it's MailChimp. And then click on the link, and then from there in the right hand corner you'll see a little button that says login. Left click on that. From the interface we then need to navigate to templates, once the page is loaded we find the campaign that we want to export into a HTML file. To export it we just click on the little downward facing arrow and click on Export as HTML. Once the file is downloaded, we'll click on Show All Downloads, find the file that we're looking to export, click on Show in Folder, then Control-C the highlighted file, navigate back to the desktop and then Control-V, and there we have our first template. Next thing to do is to navigate into Aspire, and we'll search for the clients that we want to send out the magnetic fencing email campaign to. We do that by firstly clicking on Clients and then click on Search, and then we want to set it so it's company name that starts with, and in this example we'll be looking for a company called Auctus Design, so we'll type in Auctus from here and click on Go, right click the field, click Move to New List, highlight the field again, click Go to Communicate, then click on Produce a Mail Merge and click on Create New. Then we need to select a data set. In this example we will use client contact details and click OK. Then we just need to give our mail merge a name. In this instance we'll call it Test3 and click OK. Aspire will then open Word. We then need to navigate back to the desktop where we double click on the magnetic fence email template that we just exported from MailChimp, and then we click Control-A to highlight everything, then Control-C, then navigate back to the Word document and click Control-V to paste. You can make any changes that you want to before we send it out. As you can see in this instance the image has become slightly distorted, so if we just drag that down you can see it's more in line with what we intended the logo and the image to look like. We can personalize the email a bit more by clicking on Insert Merge Field, and then we can choose the contact name for instance or the company name to insert into the mail merge, and we can type in a little message saying welcome, and where it says company name that'll insert Auctus Design Company, and we could put welcome Auctus Design Company to the revolution in safety protection. From here then we click on Finish and Merge and click Send Email Messages. We select the field that says To, navigate to the email address, it says contact email. We can give our campaign a little subject. In this instance we'll call it magnetic fencing. And click OK. Word will then try and save the file. This can take a while depending on how big the files are. Once that saves, then we click on the X to close, and a little pop-up that will say do you want to save this merge document, and we click yes. Then we navigate back to Aspire, click on Select Merge, and you will remember that previously we called the mail merge Test3, so we select that one and then hit Go, and you've successfully sent your first email marketing campaign.